Editable documents and shape is where you can create different pre-approval letters for your system. Start by going to the settings icon in the top right, and under templates and resources, you will find editable documents, and it'll bring you here. Once you're here, you will see probably some pre-made ones in the system already that you are free to hit the three dots and edit. So if we take a look at the basic pre-approval letter, you'll see it's got different merge tokens pulling that data from within the record. So the loan type token will pull their loan type, FICO will pull their FICO, term will pull their term, etc., and so on and so forth. But you are free to go in here and edit any of these as needed. To create a brand new one, all you do is hit Add Document, give it a title, and then put in any information that you want as your pre-approval letter. You can insert your logos using the image icon, insert any links using the link icon here, as well as videos too if you want to include a video on your pre-approval. Use the See Data Merge Tokens button to find those tokens that pull the variable data from within the record so you can include any information that you're looking to on your pre-approval. Once done, just hit Submit at the bottom and you will be good to go. Sending a pre-approval is also very straightforward. We'll go into our applications. And open up a record. In the portal tab, if you scroll to the very, very bottom, you will see the Send Pre-Approval Letter button. It'll pull that variable data from within the record already for you, and you can simply choose your template and submit. It'll pull up a little preview that you can, zoom in on if you want to take a look at the nitty-gritty, and then you can further edit it to go back to the main screen, or hit send to send that email off to the borrower. Since you're taking advantage of the customer portal, it also gives you the partner portal as well. So your partners can hop in their own CRM Lite and be able to see their records. And here in the portal tab, you can also give them the ability to generate their own pre-approval letters. If this is checked on, they'll have a send pre-approval letter button in their portal. If it's checked off, that will no longer be there. The loan amount for what the partner can generate is limited based on their loan amount that you put in opportunity. We hope this helps. If you have any follow-up questions at all, just let us know. I'm more than happy to help and hope you guys have a great rest of your day.